Hi everybody. Welcome back to Freshco Graphics, a channel that discusses contemporary home designs and ideas. In this video we will talk about outdoor kitchens. Hopefully the pictures presented will provide inspiration for all of you. Let's just get started. Kitchen in the last years has created many different products to choose when designing your outdoor kitchen. Some people prefer to design a small and practical outdoor kitchen and save some costs. Others go for the luxury additions when creating their outdoor kitchen design. Relatively short summers. People living in these areas try and enjoy the summer to its fullest and install a kitchen that is built around the grill. This way they can have a barbecue without running in and out of the house and use a small kitchen in their backyard. It will be very important when thinking of an outdoor kitchen design. In some cases, extreme weather will call for unique solutions and custom-made outdoor kitchens. These can be very expensive and take a lot of energy to put together. You may need to consider the conditions of your living area before going ahead with the plan to build an outdoor kitchen. In planning your outdoor kitchen, you will need to consider how much you will use your outdoor kitchen, and whether it will be just a small part of your deck, or patio, or a fully functional outdoor kitchen. These are some tips for you to planning your outdoor kitchen. One of the factors is just how much space you have to work with. Will it just include a small grill island, or will your outdoor kitchen be as big as your indoor kitchen? Will it be the place where you and your family will spend a considerable amount of time? It is important that for an outdoor kitchen to work you must be able to provide adequate seating in dining areas. If you want to be able to enjoy your outdoor kitchen when the weather turns cooler, it is a good idea to also have an outdoor fireplace to keep everyone warm and toasty. Custom grilling islands can help provide your outdoor kitchen with a more upscale look. Just like an indoor kitchen island, the outdoor grilling island includes masonry with cabinets. Many experts agree that custom masonry grilling islands can add tremendous value to your home. You can also go with a prefab grilling island. These prefab islands come in a variety of configurations and exterior finishes. They cost less than more custom islands. Furthermore, you should select sturdy and durable materials that can stand up to climate changes. Many building experts agree that polymer is the perfect material for the construction of outdoor kitchens. It can withstand outside elements, and unlike wood, concrete, or stucco, it does not absorb moisture. Polymer is a solid material, not a laminate or layered material, and it will not warp, crack, or split. Countertops can be made from ceramic tile, granite, marble, slate, and other natural stones. In addition, another area just as important as designing your outdoor kitchen is outdoor lighting. This can change and improve the overall feel of your outdoor kitchen. There are many types of lighting to choose from, including ambiance lighting that can include soft white lights or colored bulbs. Solar lights can be charged during the day and turn on automatically as it gets dark. These are numerous benefits of an outdoor kitchen that you may have, such as, it makes grilling a family affair. No longer does dad have to sweat outside by the grill while everyone else is inside waiting for dinner. With an outdoor kitchen, the entire family can be part of the meal-making process. Mom and the kids are preparing the salad and side dishes next to dad, not inside the house. The conversation takes off before your family has sat down to dinner. It makes entertaining easier. No longer do you have to make trips to and from the kitchen to fetch drinks and food for your guests. Everything you need for outdoor dining is right there. You can feed your guests without having to interrupt your conversations. And if you need to make any last-minute dishes, like an extra salad or appetizer, you don't have to go inside and miss out on the fun while doing it. It increases your resale value. Outdoor kitchens have become one of the hottest trends in home design. If you ever wanted to sell your house, an outdoor kitchen will increase your property value by at least a few $1000s. Not only will your house look modern and updated, but the extra room outdoors will appeal to buyers. It gets you outside. Let's face it, Sometimes it can be hard to tear the family away from the computer, television and air conditioning. Outdoor dining allows you to turn the everyday occurrence of making dinner into something exciting. Light a few candles, turn on some music and enjoy the sun and fresh air. Without any extra hassle, dinner has become a special event. It creates a second kitchen. Since most outdoor kitchens include a grill, sink and mini refrigerator, it will come in handy in the event that your main kitchen is out of commission. Outdoor kitchens can help you get through a plumbing emergency, power outages, if you have an electric stove in the main kitchen, and a kitchen remodel. If the main kitchen is a mess of epic proportions and you just can't face cleaning it before dinner, break out the paper plates and napkins and head outside. You can remodel without having to spend a ton of money. If you want to update your home but don't have thousands of dollars to do so, an outdoor kitchen could be the solution. It allows you to add on a new room to your house, enhance your living space and pick out new kitchen cabinets, furniture, appliances and accessories, just on a smaller scale than if you were to remodel your main kitchen. You can get your kitchen design fixed without having to actually live through a kitchen remodel. It can enhance your social life. Having an outdoor kitchen can help enhance your social life in several ways. First, it will give you a good excuse to invite your friends over for dinner. You'll want to show off your new kitchen, and everybody loves checking out new home improvements. Secondly, you'll see more of your neighbors. If they're outside grilling too, it's the perfect opportunity for some over-the-fence chit-chat. Husbands become grilling buddies and wives can swap recipes. Thank you for watching. Hopefully, this video can help you to create an outdoor kitchen at your home. I hope that you enjoy it, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.